When I came on board to kind of rescue the London Centre when it was very low in numbers, and I decided to train as a senior trainer, train as a senior trainer. One of the first things I did, and Anna, you were part of that first cohort with it out, was to explore and create a one-to-one psychodrama psychotherapy module, which we initially did just a group of maybe 3 of us in the back room and where we were training in those days. And it's now really a core part of the curriculum. And I want to acknowledge, actually it was Claudia Val who in the end didn't contribute a chapter, but who's one of our very senior trainees, just finishing off her final bits and pieces, who said, no, Anna, you really should get a book out there to represent what we're doing in the one-to-one module. And I feel very proud of the fact that this book arose out of dialogue with the students, and also that my close colleague Maxine and Ginny, who founded this training, have also contributed chapters. It just feels embracing, and it feels rather wonderful actually. It feels like a celebration. And I also want to acknowledge Andrea Blair, who's an art psychotherapist and who is an educational consultant. She did the supervision training that I run. And it was such a creative collaboration to ask her to use her art form on the principle of show me, to illustrate some of the core concepts in the first part of the book. So I have to say, it's been hard work, but it's also been a pleasure. So thank you those who are present, and thank you those who are not present, but are probably present in spirit and certainly in my heart. So.